People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, I'm going to talk about Royal Reid, the former Minister of Education. Now, some people don't know that Royal Reid is actually a preacher, right? And at the moment, Royal Reid is very frustrated with the people of Jamaica. He's upset with every single one of you. He thinks you should all be ashamed of yourselves. Because clearly the people of Jamaica don't know their scripture. Right? Because Pastor Reid has his own Bible. And the name of that Bible is the Book of Corruptionian. And in the Book of Corruptionian, it clearly states that for Royal Reid so loved his helper that he gave her his only begotten 4 million. Right? And it also states in chapter 4, verse 6, that there is nothing wrong with transferring $700,000 to your driver out of love. It's all about love, people. This is why Royal Reid is so frustrated with Jamaica, because they don't know their scripture. Because if they knew their scripture and studied the Book of Corruptionian, he wouldn't have to resign. He wouldn't have to step down. Everything would be just like it was. But because the people of Jamaica has turned away from the word, right, and get caught up in this TV and iPhone nonsense, this is how Royal Reid has reached in this predicament. Jamaican people, I'm just letting you know, Pastor Reid is very upset with you. He's upset because you strayed away from the teachings of the good book. Now, some of you might not have heard about the Book of Corruptionian, right? But it exists. The thing is, the Book of Corruptionian isn't passed around your everyday church. Only special churches get this book. Only people who go into certain fields like politics get this book. 116 octanes get this book. Right? But I'm just letting you know right now that Pastor Reid is very disappointed in you as a nation, and Jamaican people should be ashamed of themselves for not knowing the word, according to Pastor Reid and like-minded individuals. Now, the DPP has ruled that there could have been some breaches. Pay very close attention to that word, you know. DPP Paula Lewin is saying there could have been some breaches, right? But let me tell you this: all the people who think that Pastor Reid is going to end up in a cell next to Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm, let me tell you two things that are more likely to happen. One, snow is more likely to fall in Jamaica than Royal Reid end up in a GP or a Rising. The second thing that is more likely to happen is that Gully Bop will find another big hit song before Royal Reid end up in a GP or a Rising. If I were you, I would not get my hopes up, because history has a way of repeating itself. And no matter how much evidence is gathered, no matter how much people testify, we usually see politicians in these circumstances walk away and bust the case. And some of them actually even return to politics and live happily ever after. So, what people need to take away from this is that sit back, get your popcorn, not the artist, but actual popcorn, and enjoy the show. Let's see if for once somebody is going to be really held accountable. But at the same time, don't get your hopes too high. Because after all, this is Jamrock. And we know accountability is not something that our leaders excel at. So don't stress out yourself if you see Pastor Reed bust the case. People, this is Politics Watch. Like, comment, share, subscribe as usual. Patreon squad. Big up on yourself. And remember, people, the book of corruption, know your scripture. Bless up.